Hello everyone, this is Bronwyn from Divine Inner Alchemy. Just thought I'd share the sunrise with you this morning. It's one of my last days here on this property that I'm on before I head off into the red desert. Anyway, I've been standing here wondering how often people actually stop to enjoy the nature that's around them, to listen to the sound of the birds, to watch a sunrise or a sunset, take notice of a flower, a beautiful flower, to be fully present. Yeah, people are so busy. And we've been programmed to be that way. No blame or anything there, that's just how the world is at the moment. But it is changing, shifting and changing. More and more people are wondering what else there is to life. So this is it, the beauty of a sunrise, the laughter of children, all those beautiful things. And it requires mindfulness. My experience of mindfulness is that it has been achieved through a practice of meditation. So, I invite you all just to have a quick few minutes of a meditation right now. So just get comfortable and sitting down or lying down. Close your eyes. Or if you're seated and you don't want to close your eyes, you can keep them open but focus on a point down in front of you that's about a 45-degree angle, just a spot on the floor or the ground. And have your eyes with a soft focus on a particular point. And then bring your attention to your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. And relaxing on the out breath. So breathing in, breathing out and relaxing, allowing anything that's troubling you, any worries, just to fall away just for these few moments that we're focusing on our breath. And with each new breath, see if you can take it a little deeper into your belly and just slow it down just a little bit. Each new breath slower and deeper. As you breathe in, feel your connection to the earth. You can visualize cords going down from the soles of your feet into the earth, like the roots of a tree, grounding you. Still focusing on your breathing. There are 3 points where you can watch your breath. The tip of your nose where it enters and leaves your body. The rise and fall of the chest as the diaphragm expands, and also the rise and fall of the stomach. Your mind's going to wander, so be okay with that. You'll find yourself not being on your breath anymore, you'll be somewhere else, and that's okay. In fact, actually congratulate yourself and noticing that you're not on your breath anymore, because that is an attribute of mindfulness. So continue to breathe in and out, relaxing more and more with each out-breath. Breathing in the energies of the earth with each in-breath. And then just slowly becoming aware of your body. Your feet on the earth, on the ground. Your body in the chair or on the floor. Becoming aware of your surroundings. The room that you're in. And then when you're ready, just slowly opening your eyes. And remembering that this feeling of ease and peacefulness that you've just attained in these last few minutes is available to you any time at all, because your breath is with you wherever you go. Alrighty. So that's me, Bronwyn, over and out. I hope you've enjoyed that meditation. If you do, just click like. Or the subscribe button if I've got one. Alright. Happy mindfulness, everybody. Have a beautiful day.